waste the night away. I let my head down if I want.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an extreme clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your homes as well. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing I wanted to get done this morning was stripping the bed and getting that put in the wash. I always do it first thing whenever it needs washing, because then it gives me time to clean the rest of the house, and then when the rest of the house is done, it's time to make the bed again. So I'm just going to strip the bed in, get that in the wash before I can then carry on doing the kitchen and the living room and everything else that needs doing.
What's up if I want? Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
So I picked up these bold all-in-one pods the other day, and I absolutely love them. They're so much easier to store as well over the powder, so I'm definitely going to be sticking with the pods. And of course I'm going to be adding a little bit of the Mrs. Hinch softener just for the fragrance, because I absolutely love how it smells. But once the washing's all in, as you can see, there is always washing up to be done. So I'm just going to crack on with that, putting the stuff that I washed up last night away, and then carrying on doing the washing up with the stuff that's left, just so I can get it nice and decluttered, so I can go in and give the sink a good clean.
Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your.
So I remember when I preferred to leave the washing up to air dry. I heard that it's more hygienic that way, but for some reason I just prefer to dry it up and get it put away now. I like my sink to be clear and decluttered, and I just don't like when the dishes are still on the draining board. So I'm just going to dry all those up so I can go in, clean the sink, clean the kitchen, and just have everything decluttered and finished.
Enough to be proud. Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder.
So once all that's done, it's time to go in and give the sink a good clean, because you know I love a good clean shiny sink. So as you can see, I've got a lot of stuff just stuck to it, and it really needs a good scrub. So I'm going to go in using the Cif cream and my Christmassy Minky. First of all, just to scrub over, get anything that's stuck to it off, just get rid of all of the stains, and then I can go back in with my white vinegar spray and microfiber cloth to really buff it up and bring out the shine.
Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own.
So I don't know why I enjoy cleaning the sink so much, and I don't know why having a shiny sink brings me so much joy, but it really does. I guess it's just one of those guilty pleasures. I just have to have a nice clean, shiny sink, and the white vinegar spray helps it stay shiny for longer, so I love using that. And you know the drill, once I have finished cleaning the sink, I'm going to fill it up with the Winter Spice Flora, just so I can wipe over all of the sides and cabinets, disinfect everything whilst making everything smell beautiful.
Don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder.
So once the kitchen's done, I'm then going to go in and do the hob, and as you can see it's mainly crumbs and stuff, so I'm going to go in using the Flash all-purpose spray just to get rid of the crumbs, give it a good wipe over and just make it nice and fresh. Next up on my to-do list today is to go in and straighten up the living room, so I'm going to put all of Cinnabon's toys and treats back in his playpen so I can give the floor a good hoover. I'm going to go round sorting out all of the cushions, sorting out the rubbish, and just getting this room looking a lot more put together. So once I had the living room looking a lot more put together and more cozy, it's time to sort out all of the washing. As you can see, I've got a lot to fold up, do some ironing and get it all put away, ready for the next lot of washing that I need to hang up and dry.
You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
So as soon as I had that lot finished, it was time to start all over again by hanging up the next lot, hanging them up to dry whilst I wait for my bedding to be done, and then I can finally go in and make the bed and just have the bedroom nice and cozy, ready for the evening.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
It's now time to make the bed, and you can definitely tell that it is winter here in the UK because it's only about 2:30 and it's already looking very dark outside. Sometimes I like how gloomy it is because I can just make a hot chocolate, get cozy and just light some candles and feel all festive, but then other times I do feel like I'm just living in the dark and I can't wait for summer. But I'm trying to embrace the winter this year, get my house nice and cozy and festive, and just make everywhere a winter wonderland.
Time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start.
Thank you so much for watching today's extreme clean with me. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and also leave this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
I'll be strong.